What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we're gonna be continuing with the graphics library in Python. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So as you can see here, we already have some code on the screen, so let me start explaining that. So first, we have the graphics library here, and from that we are importing the canvas. Next, we set a universal constant in our program for 400, and so now we make a canvas object and we call it canvas, and we set that to a horizontal size of 400 pixels and a vertical size of 400 pixels. And now today we are going to draw some shapes on that. So there's two shapes that you can draw on the canvas. The first one is a circle and the second one is a square. So first, let's start off with the rectangle. So basically you have to set it to a variable. So rect is equal to canvas dot create underscore rectangle, and then put your parentheses there. And now this rectangle will be defined by its top left x and y coordinates and its bottom right x and y coordinates. So let's just set something, so 0 0 and 50 60. So this just means that this, for our rectangle, our top left is going to be at 0 0, and the bottom right corner of our rectangle will be at 50 pixels to the right and 60 pixels down. So that is the rectangle. Next, we can create an oval or a circle. Well, a circle is a type of oval. So let's create an object. So oval is equal to canvas dot create underscore oval, and for this we now have basically the same principle as our rectangle over here. So essentially, a circle or an oval, if you have that, you can essentially inscribe that into a square, and what you'll do to draw this is you will have the coordinates here. So if I have 0 0 and 50 60, the same coordinates as the rectangle, the top left of the rectangle that this oval is inscribed in will be at 0 0, and the bottom right of the square that the oval is inscribed in will be 50 60. So yeah, this was basically just a quick introduction and tutorial into drawing shapes in Python by using the graphics library. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot, and thanks for watching today's video. I'll catch you next time. Peace.